And then we're going to end up, so with our motherboard, we're going to look here, but, you know, I think A means ATX and M means micro ATX. So we got to look at where these are. We may or may not have to add standoffs. So the next thing, I think the next thing we're going to put in is the powers. I think we'll put in the power supply. That's over on this side. So if we, oh yeah, see, here's some, some extra stuff. No, so this goes, these are what hold the drives. If you've got internal drives or whatever, this is, there's hardware in there probably. So it goes like this.
Some screws.
Yeah, so there's probably screws or something in there. Yeah, you can open it. Wow, let's, I guess I shouldn't have pulled this out here. Okay.
What is this, Velcro?
Looks like there's some zip ties and some Velcro. Yeah, so they gave us some stuff. They gave us some extra stuff, which is kind of handy.
That'll come in handy.
That'll come in handy. So yeah, these are for the drive bays. If you see, you can even, you know, you can take them. They got screws here. You can take them out. So this is what I was looking at before. This is the so this is where some two and a half, whatever it is. Some SSDs can go here. So you got two small form factor, and then you got two large form factor slots. Here you got the SP lighting controller, speed, color, mode. This is all from Corsair. This is all built in. So this is for all the different pieces down here. You can see. So yeah, the RGB Corsair RGB hub. So we can plug in 3 more things here. I think I ran into this before with my buddy's setup, but basically, you know, this is what we got, and I think we're gonna put the power supply goes down in here first. We just gotta watch this cable here, yeah, this cord, because the power supply needs to slide in here. So
you don't want, like, any trouble.
You don't want that in there, right? So we need to. Oh, in that box there might be. Yeah, open that up. No, just. Yeah, let's just pull everything out. There could be screws back here. I think that there might be. Just take everything, just dump it out here. We're going to need everything that's pretty much in here. So, we got some grommets. We got a bunch of screws. Velcro. Oh, yeah, this is great. I like this. Look, it's got the Corsair, little Corsair logo on it. So, you know, you wrap it all up. And like I said, I built one of these before with another case, my buddies, so it worked pretty good. Let's see. So let's go to our power supply. So I got us an EVGA 650 watt power supply. Oh. All right, everybody. Oh, you got it? Here. Okay. Look. No, you don't get the knife.
Oh, there you go. That's good.
Okay, there you go.
I was wiping my face there,
yeah, you're good.
I'm guessing it's opening. Okay, this way. Yeah.
Here, there's. I gotta cut the.
Yeah, I gotta cut that.
There's some tape here. And then we should be able to, I guess. There we go. Oh, so let's see what else. Oh, something else I watched this week. Curse of Oak Island. Man, if you're not watching that show, you should watch that show. It's so good. I feel like, I don't know if they're close, but they've definitely got some good clues. There's something going on there. You guys should check it out. If you're not watching Curse at Oak Island, you should watch it. Some of the earlier years were kind of boring. Yeah, we're going to save all the manuals and everything, okay?
We'll just take out the cord.
Oh yeah, now see, these are all, so this is fully modular. So we got all the cables and plugs plug in. You only plug in what you need. Like I said, if I was going to do it, I'm going to do it right. Oh yeah, see, they gave us some more of these tie wraps. Some kind of dummy plug? That's weird. I mean, maybe you can do this. It looks like the... You know what this looks like? This looks like you could plug this in the power supply and jump it, and it'll turn the power supply on. That, instead of the key switch, like, there's, power good and something, I forget, but, yeah, that's why, you guys, if you don't know, you can use power supplies as, like, benchtop power supplies. If you need 12 volts, or you need 5 volts, you can, with just a few modifications. I think it's, like, the green wire to ground or something like that, and, oh, man, look at this thing. This is the nicest power supply I've ever bought. This is fully modular. This is the 80 plus gold. I usually only buy like the bronze stuff, but like I said, I decided I'm going all out on this thing. I'm not skimping at all.
Handling it.
Oh man. Eco mode. The auto ecosystem provides zero noise at low to moderate loads. The fan will not rotate in this mode. Okay, so I guess they're telling me that it's set up for eco mode and don't panic if the fan inside this supply doesn't turn on. I guess. I don't know. Maybe we'll be able to configure that. I guess we should look here. RTFM, right?
Nice sticker.
Yeah, so let's see. What else did we get here? So we got the power supply.
The mini little wrench thing. I don't know what these.
Oh no, those are the little zip ties. They're not zip ties. They're cloth ties to wire management, basically. So these are the screws they've given us. I would have really liked some thumb screws, but this is okay. I mean, how often do you take your power supply out, right? I would venture to say like never. So yeah, so the thing is that it goes in here and all the wiring comes through here. So we have to decide what we're gonna do here. Now I'm wondering. We're gonna put the power supply in. We're gonna slide it in here. If it's a pain in the butt, then we might switch things up here. But because so. Here's your main power connector, right?
It looks like a snake.
So all the connections are back here and they're all labeled, right? Motherboard here. Motherboard, VGA1, VGA2, CPU1, peripherals, SATA 2, SATA 1. So, we've got quite a bit of connections here. Man, this is crazy. Everything's all Chinese finger trapped and everything.
Chinese finger.
That's what it is, basically. It's like you put your fingers in here and it's like...
Yeah.
Yeah, Chinese finger trap. Or I call it snake skin because that's what it looks like. It looks like this.
That's why I said
So
it looks like a snake.
Yeah, you push on it and it kind of expands. When you pull on it, it gets tight. It's like a snake skin. So, all these go from one plug to here. Like, this is like to the unit, and then it's got SATA, double SATA, actually triple SATA connections on it. That's pretty cool. They give you a lot of these cables. I'm assuming that, yeah, so here, VGA. Wow, look at this. They really went all out on their labeling. You know what? I'm glad I bought this because this CPU, see, this is the CPU connector. Yeah, this is, some kind of adapter. Cool.
Oh, it's first I got off my mic for some.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, so this is just another one. This is just like a generic one. Like, this might be like VGA 2 or something.
I don't know how to names.
Anyway, so we're gonna... Now, see, once I put this in here, so we definitely know we're gonna need the CPU, right?
Gotta plug in that.
So we're gonna plug in CPU 1.
One.
Okay, and then we want the big one here. So this is gonna be motherboard.
Mother.
And I don't, yeah, see, so, it doesn't really matter which one you do here. We're going to go with this side.
There you go, you choose your own one.
Okay.
Don't force it.
No, it's not forced. So, everything's just really, really tight.
I know, like, I was trying to, like...
Okay, so this is motherboard.
Mother.
So we need the one that says VGA on it. I know they both, some of them say EVGA.
VGA?
Yeah, that's it. So this is going to be the VGA 1. Okay, so this is going to be for our graphics card.
There's another VGA.
Oh, that one says EVGA on it, right?
Oh, yeah, right here.
Yeah,
It
so...
also says VGA.
Oh, I know. So, that one's just like a... I think that's like... our card may need that other connection. We're going to see... You know what? What we're going to do is we're going to put this stuff in here and we're going to figure it out. I'm kind of trying to figure out what's going on here. And, yeah. Let's see. Okay. All right. So... And then I'm assuming we're going to need one. So there's peripherals, but you got one that says SATA. SATA 1 or SATA? Here, SATA. So we're just going to put SATA and SATA 1. That's going to be for our... I don't even know if we're going to have any drives. Well, we need some SATAs for the RGB controllers and stuff anyway. So yeah, here you go. To start with, we got...
Oh, God.
Yeah.
It looks like somebody put in some kind of alien's brain.
Right?
No.
Right.
It does not look normal.
Right. So, what we're going to do here is we're going to take
Braid
this.
the hair.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to come through, where is it? There's two of them. There's one of them.
What are these for?
There's, oops, extra spare, you know, in case we need it. So, yeah, we're going to... Oh, this stinks, everybody.
Ooh.
That's okay, so we're just gonna... I gotta do it so that we can both see here. Okay. Alright. Okay.
And then the mother.
Yep, motherboard one. Okay, so all this is gonna...
Ooh. Ow. That looks painful.
Okay.
Ooh. Shove those cords in.
I know, right?
Oh.
No.
They're not happy.
I know. We
They're
just got,
inky.
this is what happens. We gotta...
You gotta like pull it on there.
Yeah, you gotta miss. Oh, I pulled out the... It's okay. We just gotta massage them a little bit to get into place here. There we go.
Did we do it?
Yeah, I think so.
There we go.
So this comes in the back here. Okay. And then what we gotta do... I don't know if we can still see here. Let me see if I can still see. Oh, yeah, you can still see. We'll move you back this way a little bit.
You gotta see.
Okay. Well, you can see on both cameras. So. Oh. There we go.
Oh, did you ready, sir?
Well, no. Just set them right here. Come on, set them down. All right. So.
I made a try. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, I think
I know what that reminds me.
it's upside down.